we are offering a 200-gram parcel of natural Rhodolite Garnet rough, sourced directly from Madagascar. This lot contains individual stones ranging from 1 gram to 2 grams each, making them ideal for faceting or cabochon cutting. These garnets feature the classic raspberry red to purplish red hues that rhodolite is known for, with good clarity and minimal inclusions. Madagascar is recognized for producing some of the highest quality rhodolite garnets in the world. The stones in this parcel exhibit excellent transparency and vibrant color saturation, typical of the region's rich geological deposits. Their well-formed crystal structure and manageable sizes make them particularly appealing for gem cutters and lapidary artists seeking material that yields high clarity, well-proportioned finished gems. This lot is perfect for both professional gem cutters and hobbyists looking to create fine jewelry pieces or add to their gemstone inventory. Whether faceted or cut and cabochon, Rhodolite Garnet is a durable stone, 7 to 7.5 on the Mohs scale, that works well in all types of jewelry. The 200-gram parcel provides a good balance of variety and uniformity in size, offering flexibility in cutting and design. All stones are 100% natural and untreated, preserving the authenticity and value of the gem. Please feel free to reach out for detailed photos or more information about the lot. We also offer custom sorting or additional weight on request.